In this tutorial, we will see how to delete stories on Snapchat. Whether you want to correct a mistake or simply remove something that you do not like, this tutorial will provide you with a step-by-step guide to deleting stories on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. In the top left corner of the screen, tap on your profile icon. From the Profile menu, tap on the My Story option. You will see a list of all your recent stories. Scroll through the stories and find the one you want to delete. Tap on the story you want to delete. A pop-up menu will appear. From the options that appear, select the Delete Snap option. A confirmation window will appear. Tap on the Delete button to confirm that you want to delete the story. Congratulations! You have successfully deleted a story on Snapchat. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.